In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can install Google Meet on your mobile. It's pretty simple. So all you have to do is click onto your Play Store. Okay, once that's loaded, you can see a search button there at the bottom. Tap onto search. Where it says search apps, you just want to type Google Meet. There it pops up as the first result there, so I'm going to click onto Google Meet. And there it is. So for me, I have it already. If I go out of the Play Store, you can see there on the bottom row I have Google Meet. But if you don't have it, it's going to say it's going to look like that at the top, that call.com app. It'll say install. Simply just tap onto that. It'll install it onto your phone, and then you can go ahead and click on the open button, and this will be the home page. You just log in with your Gmail account, and then you'll be in Google Meet. If this video helped you out, drop a like on this video and subscribe to this channel.